Innovative Research and Products has published a new report, Ultracapacitors for Stationary, Industrial, Consumer and Transport Energy Storage, an Industry, Technology and Market Analysis. Ultracapacitors, supercapacitors, or electric double-layer capacitors fill an important and otherwise vacant niche in the current set of energy storage devices, bridging the gap between batteries and conventional capacitors. They offer greater energy densities than electrostatic capacitors, making them a better choice for backup applications. They also possess higher power densities than batteries, allowing them to perform a role in load leveling of pulsed currents. They can help to improve battery performance when combined in hybrid power sources, or they can provide an efficient and long-lasting means of energy storage when used on their own. The stationary energy storage market needs ultracapacitors for short-duration applications of energy storage. UPS or uninterruptible power supply systems and power management systems used in distributed generation, wind and solar energy generating stations employ a combination battery and ultracapacitor bank, whereby the battery is used for long duration interruptions and the capacitor is used for voltage sag support and momentary interruptions. This reduces the cycling duty on the battery, thereby extending its life. Industrial applications need ultracapacitors to improve power quality, specifically using ultracapacitors to handle power surges and short-term power loss. Since electricity is transmitted at 60 Hz or 120 Hz, this market also needs high-frequency devices based on aqueous electrodes on a much larger scale. The consumer electronics and computer market needs small, high-frequency devices in order to reduce battery size. The transport energy storage market aims to use ultracapacitors as load leveling devices with batteries in electric and hybrid vehicles. By far, the highest value target for ultracapacitor technology is the global automobile industry. This study segments markets for ultracapacitors into 4 application segments: stationary, industrial, consumer, and transport energy storage power management. Each has its own specific requirements. This new study provides a technical overview of ultracapacitors and new developments, including patents and patent analysis. The study also provides industry analysis and identifies all players. According to the new IRAP report, the global market for ultracapacitors is estimated to reach $625 million in 2013, of which North America will have $200 million with a share of 1/3 in the total market. The market will increase to $1.4 billion by 2018 with a CAGR of 17.5%. The major findings of this report are: North America will continue to maintain its share in the next 5 years. The North American market will be followed by Japan, China, Europe and Korea. China and Korea will see larger growth rates of above 20% annually. From 2013 to 2018, transportation applications, which are mostly automotive applications, will show the highest growth rate, followed by stationary energy, including storage for renewable energy power, consumer electronics, and industrial applications. The reports are priced at $3,950 for a print copy and $4,250 for a PDF copy single user license. For more details on the report, visit www.innoresearch.net or contact in the US at 203 569 7909.